Okay, what do we got here? This is from Sunpow. They sent it to us, and it's a retractable hose reel. You can see it's got the little handle here, and it's got a 72-foot hose in there that retracts out here, and this is the end that hooks up to your spigot. And we've got this place on the wall right here, and it came with mounting bracket and hardware here, and it just gonna go right there. And then it's got the little holes in the top there, and what happens is you just mount it right here on there, and it's got a little handle so you can lift it up and mount it on there and stuff. And they sent this to us so we could show it to you, but I'll just show you here in the picture. It just mounts on the wall like this, and it's got the little sprayer end you can put on the end of it there. And basically, here you want to pull pull the end out there. It's 72 feet of hose, and it's this really nice braided line there. 72 feet there.
So you pull it out, then it stops.
Yeah, it stops where you want it.
So then you
can just let it retract back in wherever you want it. Haha.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's very nice, and,
Man,
and it's super sturdy. This is really going to be nice and weatherproof. It's a nice plastic resin there and stuff. So yeah, so really
It's really going to help.
super nice and really nice. Look at that, how nice the braided reinforced hose is there with the nice coupling on the end there and stuff. This is the 5/8. They make it in, I think, 5/8 and 1/2 inch both really and stuff. So yeah, it's really good quality and stuff. So yeah, I like that there. Thanks for sending that. That's going to be super duper handy. So yeah, cool. Thank you. Awesome. Ta-da.